Hi everyone, this is Karthik. I hope you all are safe and sound in your home. If you have a large amount of data, we need to analyze the data. So here sorting comes into attack. So we are going to discuss one of the sorting algorithm called radix sort. We have so many sorting algorithm like selection sort, bubble sort, med sort. This is one among them. And here I am going to explain about radix sort. Okay, fine. I'm going to explain with an example. Here, take an array A, which takes the input integers. Here I gave for the example 15, 85, 54, and so on. So this array, which is unsorted data, we need to sort this out with the radix sort algorithm. So I take another this radix sort radix sort is also known as bucket sort. So here we need to create buckets we need to create buckets for that. So for every integer takes we need to consider the units digit, which in case with the a of 0, I mean 0 index is 5. So compare with this index and create a link. It's just like a linked list. Create a node and input the data into this pointers array. Here all this holds the pointers, I mean the addresses of these nodes. So in the first case, first integer 5 means the units digit is 5, so it comes into fifth index of the pointers array. So 15 is stored here and so on. 85 again 5, next it is going to stored in here. So we go through along till the index 9. We create this type of array, this type of structure we are going to create. Again now we need to erase the every digit in the every integer in the array A. So we are going to clear every integer. Now again from the starting, considering with index 0 to 9, these holding the integers, we need to copy these integers into erased array A. So with respectively, first 0 1 is stored in the 0th index, next 33 in order wise. Okay, fine. Here at the 4th 54 and again 64, like this respectively. We need to rewrite that array with the numbers. Now again do the same as we did before. Now consider the next digit, that's I mean 10th digit, which in case in the 0 index is 0 and 1, with the index 1 is 3, likewise. And again here, after copying all these integers into the array A, clear all the root array. Here I taken this name of this array is root. So clear every input data in the root array. Again, while comparing with the 10th digit with the index of the root array, copy the data into this array. So here with the 0 index, with the in the 10th place 0, so it is going into the 0th index 0 1. Next in the first index in the array A goes which has 3 in its 10th place, it goes into the index 3 in the root array, which is shown like this. And like this we are going to do for every index in the array A. Then we get an root array like this. And next again erase all the not even erase, we need to rewrite the every single integers in the array A with these following integers, which we made a root array as shown before. Here 0 1 respectively, we need to copy these integers again into the array A. Likewise 0 1 0 1 respectively. We finally sort this array. We completed the sorting array. Okay, till now we saw an example on radix sort. Now we look into a piece of code of radix sort in C programming language, which was written by me. So here I considered 3 header files: stdio, conio and log.h. Okay, then we can also use process.h in case of unlock.h, which is used for the allocating memory dynamically. Struct node, we are going to consider a structure, and here I have created a root array which holds the addresses of the struct nodes. And then from here to here is this piece of from here to the selected piece of code is used to take the input user data and store in the array A. So then this for loop is used for considering the units digit or tens digit or hundreds digits and so on. We can consider up to 5 digits in an integer of an array A. Then from here to here I declared a variable temp and m. These two will help to which will store the units simple digit integer digit into them, which will be further which can be used further in the code. And then with the help of m, we are going to make that integer into the root array by comparing with the index of the root array with m, I mean the digit. Then again this piece of code is used to rewrite the array A, considering in order with considering the elements, I mean the struct nodes in the root array, which we discussed earlier. And then till here this for loop is used to will make the root array all zeros, so that it is not pointing to any struct nodes after completion of comparing one single digit units digit. And then here this piece of for this for loop will print the sorted array. Now we are going to compile it and run it. Just check. Compile. After compilation, we need to run the code. So yeah, here the console open. Then so we need to enter the elements. Number of elements need to be sorted. That means n. The maximum number of elements which we will provide in the array, that is 5. Let it be 5. And we need to enter the integers that ought to be sorted. 67. These are stored in the array A. 876, 23, 32, 1. Hit enter. Then again run the code. You can see that the sorted list 1, 23, 32, 67, 876. Hence the given integers are sorted with the radix sort algorithm. Thank you. If you have any suggestions, advices, doubts, all are welcome in the comment section. Thank you.